Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Rover Evoque P300e R-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 1.5 petrol plug-in hybrid engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Carpathian Grey. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we'll find the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides, we'll see further features, all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. To the rear, you'll notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, where you'll also be able to locate your electronically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure is going to intrigue our towing enthusiasts out there. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, and as we glimpse into the cockpit, we'll reveal your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats with 2-way manual headrests, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Within the front of this vehicle, you will also be able to find your fully leather heated steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features as it's disposable, your 10-inch deployable touchscreen and your lower touchscreen. Also, finalising our journey, we look to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which engrosses this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the Land Rover Rover Evoque, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.